If your bedroom feels like a shoebox, don't worry. You're not alone. Many people struggle with making the most out of a small space. But with the right design hacks, you can transform your tiny bedroom into a stylish and functional haven. Then you need these big impact design tips. First, let's talk about color. Light colors are your best friend when it comes to making a small room feel larger. They reflect more light, making the space feel open and airy. Think whites, pastels, and soft neutrals. Start with light colors. They make the space feel open and airy. But don't stop there. Adding a pop of color with accessories like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork can add personality without overwhelming the space. Mirrors are your new BFF. They reflect light and create the illusion of depth. Place a large mirror opposite a window to maximize natural light, or use multiple smaller mirrors to create a gallery wall effect. Multifunctional furniture, total game changer. Think beds with storage underneath and fold-out desks. These pieces save space and add functionality. A bed with drawers underneath can store clothes, linens, or even shoes, while a fold-out desk can be tucked away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space. Declutter by keeping only what you love. A tidy room feels larger and more inviting. Use storage solutions like baskets, bins, and boxes to keep things organized and out of sight. Regularly, go through your belongings and donate or discard items you no longer need or use. And remember, vertical space is gold. Use shelves and hooks to keep things off the floor. Install floating shelves to display books, plants, or decorative items. Hooks can be used for hanging bags, hats, or even jewelry. By utilizing vertical space, you free up floor space and make the room feel less cluttered. Tiny room, huge potential. You got this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips.